So Callie and I are out for a walk, and lately we have been seeing this big black cat roaming around the park. And I haven't really seen it yet, but this cat is a total freak. It rides a bike. Oh my gosh, there it is. Oh my goodness. And I've been seeing it like run around and like scare the kids and stuff at the park. It's so creepy, this cat. Get him, Callie. Get him, Callie. Oh my gosh, there's the cat. There's the cat. It's riding a bike. Oh my goodness. Callie's gonna get all upset with this cat. Don't attack the cat, Callie. Don't attack the cat. Okay, all right. That cat is vicious. That cat is vicious. What is that cat doing? Oh my goodness. That cat, which is gonna scare that little baby. Is that cat gonna scare that little girl? Oh my goodness. Cat, come back! Cat! Oh my goodness. And there it goes. The cat has disappeared. Or maybe it's coming back, I don't know. Let's go this way, Callie. Come on, let's see if we can find it again. Toot-to-doo. I think it's in hiding, but let's go see. Me and Callie just out for a walk, enjoying ourselves. We come this way. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's the cat. There's the cat. Callie, look out. That cat's gonna attack you. No. No. Oh my goodness. What are you doing, cat? Did Kitty want to play? Is Kitty friendly?
Meow.
Is Kitty friendly?
Meow.
Meow. Aw, can I pet Kitty?